Step into one of London's most elegant hidden gems, the Montcalm Mayfair. Tucked in the heart of Mayfair, this Grade II-listed Georgian building welcomes you with instant wow factor the moment you enter the stunning lobby. The library lounge feels like your private residence, with warm lighting, rich textures, and beautiful details throughout the public spaces. Every corner blends historic charm with modern luxury. Each guest room is a true sanctuary. Spacious and bright, they feature plush bedding, elegant furnishings, and large windows that fill the space with natural light. The marble bathrooms are highlights, offering deep soaking tubs, powerful rain showers, and premium amenities. From cozy details to thoughtful design, these rooms perfectly combine British heritage with contemporary comfort, making you feel right at home in Mayfair. Now let's step inside the guest rooms at Montcalm Mayfair. Each one feels like a private sanctuary in the heart of London. You'll notice the spacious layouts right away, with high ceilings and large windows that flood the rooms with beautiful natural light. The plush king beds are dressed in the finest linens, offering exceptional comfort after a day exploring Mayfair. Elegant furnishings, soft neutral tones, and thoughtful details create a calm, sophisticated atmosphere. Every room perfectly balances historic Georgian charm with modern luxury touches. The marble bathrooms are a true highlight. They feature deep soaking tubs, powerful rain showers, and premium amenities that turn your daily routine into a spa-like experience. From the carefully chosen artwork and high-quality textiles to the ample storage and refined lighting, nothing has been overlooked. Whether you're staying in a classic room or a more spacious suite, you'll feel completely at home. These rooms are designed not just for sleeping, but for truly living the refined Mayfair lifestyle. Quiet, comfortable, and incredibly stylish, this is sensitive luxury done exactly right. Dining at Lilli by Akira Back is a true highlight. The restaurant features stunning design with warm, sophisticated lighting and elegant seating that creates an intimate yet vibrant atmosphere. From the beautiful brasserie and bar areas to the artistic food presentations, expect exquisite Japanese-Korean fusion dishes served with style. Every plate is a visual and culinary delight. This is where great food meets exceptional ambience in the heart of Mayfair. If you're dreaming of a luxury London stay, this should be at the top of your list. Have you visited yet? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more premium hotel tours. Thanks for watching.